Hi, I am Ravi Kumar. In this video, we will see the operating point and we will see the fixed bias circuit, collector to base bias circuit and voltage divider bias circuit. Generally, the operating point is nothing but the values of current and voltages of a transistor. Here I have considered the NPN transistor for fixed bias circuit. This is the emitter and this is the collector, this is the base. Here RC resistor is taken at the collector and RB is taken at the base terminal. Here, due to this VCC power supply, the current will flow to the collector and the base. Consider the collector current is IC and base current is IB. Also here VBE we have written here, which is the voltage between base and emitter, and VCE here we have taken, which is the voltage between collector and emitter. Now we will see how to calculate the VCE voltage and IC current for the fixed bias circuit. For that one, first of all, apply the KVL at the input side. This is the input side. Here I am applying the KVL here. VCC is the source here. VCC we are providing here. This VCC is equal to, it is the voltage at RB resistor, that is RB into IB plus this is the voltage VBE, that is VCC is equal to IB RB plus VBE. That is the equation we got. VCC is equal to IB RB plus VBE. From this equation we can write IB is equal to VCC minus VBE by RB. We know that IC is equal to beta IB for the transistor. So from 1 and 2 we can calculate the IC current. Now to calculate the VCE voltage, apply the KVL at the output side. Here I am taking the KVL at the output side. Here VCC is equal to IC into RC, that is the voltage across this RC resistor, plus VCE. So VCC is equal to VCE plus IC RC. From this one you can calculate VCE is equal to VCC minus IC RC. So for this fixed bias circuit we can calculate the IC and VCE. Next we will calculate the VCE and IC for collector to base bias. Here we have considered the NPN transistor. This is the emitter terminal and this is the collector terminal. To the collector we have used one resistor RC here, and from collector to the base we have connected with one resistor RB here. This is the VBE voltage between base and emitter, which is very small voltage. It is around 0.3 volts like that, and VCE is the voltage between the collector and the emitter. Due to this VCC supply, there is the flow of current here. The current is going to be splitting here to base and also collector. Let us consider the collector current is IC and base current is IB. Here from this point we are going to splitting this current here. That's why the current through RC is equal to IC plus IB we are writing. Now we will see how to find out the IC and VCE for the collector to base bias circuit. Apply the KVL for the input side. So here VCC is the source. VCC is equal to, here voltage is equal to current into resistance. So RC into IC plus IB is the current. So VCC is equal to IC plus IB into RC plus IB into RB plus VBE. So that is equal to VCC is equal to RC into IC plus IB plus IB RB plus VBE. From this one IB is equal to VCC minus IC RC minus VBE by RC plus RB. We know that one IC is equal to beta IB. From 1 and 2 we can calculate the IC easily. Now we can calculate the VCE by applying the KVL at the output side. Here VCC is equal to RC into IC plus IB plus VCE. But we require VCE. VCE is equal to VCC minus IC plus IB into RC. Like that we are going to calculate the IC and VCE for collector to base bias circuit. Now we will see the IC and VCE for voltage divider bias circuit. Here we have considered the NPN transistor. Here for the emitter we have connected one resistor, emitter resistor RE for the purpose of stability, and here we have taken R1 and R2 two resistors for providing the voltage divider purpose, and the collector we have taken the RC resistor here. Due to this VCC the current will flow here to I1, let us consider this one, to R1 resistor I1 is the current, and through RC, let us consider the current is IC here. And this I1 current is coming to here and it is splitting to IB and I2, let us consider here. The voltage between base and emitter is VBE. The voltage between collector and emitter is VCE, let us consider here. Here the voltage across RE resistor is, let us consider VE. VE is nothing but the IE into RE here. Now how to calculate the IC and VCE, we will see for the voltage divider bias circuit. We know that one IC is equal to IE, approximately equal to IE. IE is equal to, here IE into RE is nothing but VE we are writing. So IE can be obtained as VE by RE. That is IC can be obtained as VE by RE. If you know the VE, you can calculate the IC value. Now we will see how to calculate the VE value. To calculate the VE value, apply the KVL for the input side here. So here observe this one, this VCC is applied to R1 and R2. So that is VCC is applied to R1, R2. Now what is the voltage across here R2? That is from here to here we are writing. It is nothing, it is obtained by directly by voltage divider rule. Here VCC is applied to R1 and R2. The voltage across R2 is equal to, that is V2 we are writing that one. V2 is equal to VCC into R2 by R1 plus R2, that is the voltage here. See, this voltage is nothing but, the voltage across here is nothing but the VBE voltage plus IERE, that is VE we are writing here. So VE can be calculated as V2 minus VBE from this one. Here V2 can obtain from this one, VBE is 0.3 is known value, so we can calculate the VE. Substitute the VE here, you can get the IC value. Now how to calculate